So for today, we're going to look at how do you buy and also sell your Bitcoin. How do you start out in buying or selling your Bitcoin on the Binance platform? So we're going to open our Binance platform. Then as you can see at the very bottom, there is home, markets, trades, futures, and wallets. So you're going to make sure you go to wallets. And at the very top, you'll see overview, spots, and funding. So we're going to click on funding and we'll see that there's P2P, pay, gift card, and pool. So for this case, we want to buy our Bitcoin via the P2P. Okay, so we're going to click the P2P. And as you can see, there are a number of things that you can either buy or sell. So for now, we want to buy. And for this case, we want to buy BTC. So you're going to click on BTC. You're going to see, so you're going to see a number of offers from different merchants. So it's up to you to decide according to the kind of offers they have and also the limits they have, because you can see some have, example, this one, Sax Pro, the least you can buy is 300 Kenya shillings and the most you can buy is 6,974. Then when you come to another trader, you can see like Still Not Himself, the least amount you can buy is 20,000 Kenya shillings and the most amount is 94,597. So according to how much you want to purchase and also at what price do you want to purchase at, you're going to pick the best offer that works for you. You're also going to pick, as you can see, there's also different payment methods. So like example for this one, Scott, you can either send a bank transfer or use M-Pesa, Paybill or M-Pesa, the M-Pesa app. So that is you sending money directly to their M-Pesa. So for this case, maybe we just want to buy Bitcoin worth 500 shillings and we're going to, if you're buying, we want to buy low, okay? We do not want to buy at a higher price. So we want to, the best deal is buying at a lower price. So for this case, I can see that oh, you can also see that on the right side, you'll see the number of trades this person has done and also the success rate of these trades. So we want to go with Mindego for today. No. Mindego uses a Paybill and we want to use an M-Pesa. So we're going to look for another one. Okay, so we can go with Sax Pro. Sax Pro has between 300 to 6,000 and we want to buy Bitcoin worth 500 Kenya shillings. So we're going to click buy so that we can initiate a transaction. So how much do you want to buy? You enter your amounts, 500 shillings, and then fee 0. So buy with a fee of 0, okay? So as you can see here, the order has been created and it's for you to now, since you're the one who is buying, you first have to make the payment so that your Bitcoin will be released to you. So we click make payment and we are going to click on M-Pesa because we want to use M-Pesa. So we're going to click on the number here so that we can copy it and then we can go to our M-Pesa and make our transaction. So this is very easy and very quick. So M-Pesa, send money, click on the phone number, paste the phone number there so that you don't make any mistakes. How much do you want to buy? 500. Okay, enter your PIN and that's it. Send money, yes. Okay, Joshua Gesike. So you've confirmed that is the number. That is, as you can see, it's Joshua Gesike. Okay, so yeah, so we are going to wait for our transfer to be made so that we can click on transferred and notify seller. So I've received a message that my transfer has been made here to Joshua Gesike. So I'm going back to the platform and transferred, notify seller. Then I'm now going to wait for my Bitcoin to be released to me so that I can have it in my wallet. And if there are any issues, you can just go to chat and maybe contact the person you're having a trade with, so that you can see some of the messages they write. In case of a delay, just contact them, call them. Yeah. So this enables the Binance platform to be very quick and very secure. You cannot, the person cannot release the BTC to you if you have not yet made the payment. So until they confirm on their end that you have made the payment to them, then they'll be able to release the BTC to you, or whatever it is that you've purchased to you. So we have received our BTC. The merchant, Joshua, has now released our BTC, and we have the BTC in our wallet. So done. And we're going to go back. So you see, order has been completed. So once they confirm on their end that they've received the money, they're going to release the BTC, and order has been completed. Then you're going to go back. So when you go back to your spot wallet, you're going to realize that you can see the amount that you've bought, your Bitcoin, 500, is not really reflecting here on the value of your BTC, equity value, right? So we're going to go to transfer, because the money is in our funding wallet. So we're going to click this arrow so that it reads funding from, the transfer is from funding wallet to the spot wallet, okay? So currently your BTC is in your funding wallet because you've just funded it, but you want your BTC to reflect in your spot wallet. So that is what you're going to do. Then click the maximum amount of BTC, that is the BTC you've bought, and then confirm transfer. Then that's it. You're going to see that it's going to reflect right now. So you can see the balances now. You have Bitcoin worth 478 Kenya shillings. So that is how you're going to purchase your BTC on the Binance platform.